Hello students, today we will discuss about reproduction and its types, which is the topic in third chapter of class 10th. The name of the chapter is How Do Organisms Reproduce? So what is reproduction? It is the process in which the new organisms are formed from pre-existing organisms. This reproduction is very essential process for continuity of species on the earth's surface. If individuals will not reproduce of their own kind, then one day they will die and their species will also become extinct. So reproduction is very essential for continuity of species on the earth's surface. This reproduction is of two types. There are two main types of reproduction: asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which only one parent is involved. Only one parent, it produces the new offsprings, new organisms, without the involvement of sex cells, or we can say that without the involvement of gametes. In these organisms which undergo asexual reproduction, there is no differentiation of sexes. There is no male and female. Only one individual forms the new organism. The organisms which undergo asexual reproduction are amoeba, paramecium, hydra, euglena. These all undergo asexual reproduction. Their body is very simple. They either splits, break down, or give rise to buds and form the new organism. On the other hand, the second type of reproduction is sexual reproduction. In this reproduction, there is involvement of two individuals, one male and one female. In this type of reproduction, there is differentiation of sexes, male sex and female sex. And in sexual reproduction, there is involvement of sex cells or gametes. Male produces male gamete, female produces female gamete. Then the fusion of male and female gametes take place to form the zygote, and this zygote undergoes growth and development and forms the new organism. Now today we will discuss the types of asexual reproduction also. There are number of methods by which the organisms undergo asexual reproduction. So these methods include fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, and the last one is vegetative propagation. So these are the methods of asexual reproduction: fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. First of all, we will discuss about fission. Now, what is fission? Fission means splitting or breaking. Splitting or breaking. So it is the process, it is the method of asexual reproduction in which parent organism breaks down or splits into two or more new organisms. This fission is of two types. There are two types of fission. These are binary fission and multiple fission. What is fission? Fission is the process in which the parent organism splits or divide or break down into two or more new organisms. This fission is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary means two. When parent organism splits into two new organisms is called binary fission. This binary fission takes place in amoeba and paramecium, leishmania, and some bacteria also undergo binary fission. Now let us see how this binary fission takes place in amoeba. Amoeba is unicellular organism. It is found in the water bodies. Amoeba is unicellular organism. It is found in water bodies. As we know that this amoeba, it is made up of single cell and there is finger-like projections called pseudopodia. These pseudopodia in amoeba help in movement and engulfing food. It helps to engulf the food. This is the nucleus of amoeba. This is the cell membrane. Now when amoeba grows to its maximum size, when full growth takes place, first of all the lengthening of nucleus takes place. Nucleus of amoeba lengthens or get elongated, or stretching of nucleus takes place. This is the cytoplasm. So lengthening of nucleus is followed by division of nucleus into two small nuclei. Two small nuclei get formed, and after the division of nucleus, when two nuclei get formed, division of cytoplasm takes place. The cytoplasm divides and small amount of cytoplasm get collected around each of the nucleus, and a small constriction also appears between the cell membrane, and due to which at last the division of cytoplasm result in the production of two daughter amoebas. Two daughter amoebas get formed. So you can see here from a single cell two daughter cells get formed. So what is binary fission? It is the type of fission in which one parent organism splits into two new organisms. So this is all about the binary fission. Thank you, beta.